guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. Hi, if you're new. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys all of my favorites from the month of May. I feel like May went by surprisingly pretty quickly, which I was very grateful for, but it was a really fun month and I have so many fun favorites to share with you guys. I also have been trying my best to do daily videos this month, which has been crazy busy and a lot of fun, but so worth it. And I've also been doing shout outs in every video, so I want to do the post notification shout out along with the comment of the day shout out before we get started. So the post notification shout out goes out to Ezzy. Super cute nails, Kelly, hashtag notification squad. Thank you so much, Ezzy, for turning my notifications on, leaving such a sweet comment, and subscribing to my channel. You're seriously so sweet. And the comment of the day goes out to Laura. Love all your outfits for the week. Your style is literally the cutest. XOXO Laura. Thank you so much, Laura, for such a sweet comment. You seriously just made my day, and I love reading all your guys' sweet comments, so definitely leave a comment in the description box. I do read and respond back to every single one, and I love being able to chit chat with you guys. So again, if you're new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button so you can get notified the next time I upload. But let's just get started, and I want to share my favorites with you guys. I always start off with my top 5 songs on Spotify. My Spotify is just at Kelly Tomlinson. I have all my social medias listed down below in the description box in case you guys want to follow along. So the first song that I've been obsessed with, it is on my summer 5K playlist, is called Roll Up. It is just such a fun, happy, upbeat vibe, and it's so like catchy that I just love it. The second song is also on my summer 5K playlist. It is called Hate Me. It's an Ellie Goulding remix. I will put the cover art on the screen so you can see like the full details because I'm not really sure who it's by, but seriously the best song in case you're running. I found it on my spin instructor's playlist and I'm like, oh, I really like it. It's just such a fun, fast song to listen to. And then the third song that I want to share with you guys is called Best Friend, and oh my goodness, it just gets me in the feels every time I listen to it. It's so cute and just kind of like dance along to it, and I love it. And the next song I want to share with you guys is from my country playlist, and it is called Honey Bee. I seriously love listening to country music in the summertime, and it's almost summer, you guys, so the country music is starting, and that's the first one that I've been listening to a lot lately. And then my last song is on, I think it's on my Prepster playlist. It is Crash My Car, and it's just like a really fun indie song, and I've just kind of liked it because it's so chill. So those are the 5 songs I wanted to share with you guys. I have a ton of playlists you can follow along on my Spotify. Again, it's listed down below. It's just that Kelly Tomlinson. My music this past month has been like all over the place. It just depends on what I'm doing, what I'm in the mood for, and everything like that. So definitely check it out. If you guys have any song recommendations, let me know in the comments down below because I'm always looking for new music to listen to. And then I want to share with you guys what I've been watching, and I low-key I've been binge watching a lot of Netflix. So I may or may not have watched this whole series in like 2 days, and it's called Never Have I Ever. It's kind of like a high school teen drama, and it was just so cute. I couldn't stop watching it. Like I'd be painting my nails and just kind of watching it, or just like, oh, I'm gonna go watch this show for a few hours and then just binge it. But it was really cute. Basically it was like this girl kind of like going through stuff after her dad died, and like she just kind of fell in love with this boy. It was so cute. It was just so cute. If you guys like need a cute like little upbeat show to watch, I definitely recommend it. And I also just started the other day Outer Banks, and I've been getting so many recommendations to watch this show. I'm only 1 episode in, but so far it's really good and I'm excited to see how that goes. But if you guys have any recommendations on what shows to watch or what you've been watching, let me know in the comments down below because that's what I've been watching. And then I love sharing my favorite clothing items with you. So I pulled out 5 of my favorite things that I've been wearing this month, and you guys, they're so colorful. So the first thing I recently just got in an unboxing, which I will insert the card. It's from Top It Off Accessories, and look how cute and colorful this is. It's a skirt, but it has like shorts underneath, and it's just this really perfect material for summer. It's like a polyester blend, so it's kind of nice like for hot summer days because it's not cottony at all, and it's just so cute. It has pockets and little pockets on the back, and it's so flattering on. You guys can see how I styled it in the video, and I got this in a size small, but I just love the print and I'm so excited. I've been wearing this non-stop since I got it. I also have been wearing these Lily Pulitzer little shorts. I'm not sure of the style of the name, but they have like little scallops on the bottom. They're definitely short shorts, but it's like a red and blue seersucker, which is perfect for Memorial Day weekend, and I just have been wearing them. So cute and so perfect for summer. Another thing that I wore a lot at the beginning of the month is this striped top from Romwe. I probably wore this like 3 times the first week of May, and I did a whole video all about it, but it's just like simple striped top. I've had it forever. Super cute, and I just think it's such a another great basic in the preppy girl wardrobe. And my fourth favorite are these biker shorts that I got from Fabletics. My best friend Avery got them and I was like, oh my gosh, where did you get them? And she's like, I got them off Fabletics. And I actually got some of these, but they're so flattering and so cute, and I think they're super trendy this year. I know they were super trendy last summer, but like I'm finally catching on to the trend. But I love them for working out, and they're just so cute and so comfy. So they're just like an all black pair of biker shorts. And then my last favorite clothing piece that I want to share with you guys is this off the shoulder white tank top that I got from Shein last summer. It has the prettiest little eyelet detailing going on at the bottom, and it has these little tie straps, and I just think this is so cute with a pair of jeans, or even with chino shorts. And I've been wearing it like once every weekend because I just think it's so fun to wear in the summer. So those are my 5 clothing favorites. If you guys want to see more pieces that I've been wearing a lot, or my outfits, or if you guys want to see how I style those, be sure to check me out over on Instagram. It's just at Kellyprepster. I post outfit of the day pictures really often, so definitely go check it out. And now I want to share with you guys 5 of my beauty favorites. The first one is kind of random because I've had this for the longest time and just started using it, and it is the Daisy by Marc Jacobs perfume. I think the packaging on this is absolutely stunning. It's so pretty, so girly, and it's just like a little flower, and I think it looks so cute on my perfume tray. But at first when I got it, I was like, the scent's just a little too strong for me, but lately I've been wearing it and I really like it. So I just think it smells so clean and so fresh. Another thing that I've been loving, and I feel like I've talked about this all the time, is my self tanner. I picked this up at Target. I'm currently wearing it right now. I just put it on the other night, and this is in the shade Dark. I was struggling so hard to find this because I couldn't buy it online for whatever reason, and then my Target was out of it for the last month, so I would go to Target every other week, and I'm like, where is the self tanner? And then I finally found some, so I'm super happy. And I just apply this with a mitt. It's just like a foam, and you just squeeze it out and it foams. But my favorite part about it is it's like a water base, so it does take a while. It takes like 6 hours to develop, but it doesn't smell at all, and it doesn't stain your sheets or anything, and I think it lasts a lot longer. It is a little bit more pricey, but still it's very affordable, so I really have been loving this product. My next 2 items are from Pixi. The first one is this Pixi Skin Treats Hydrating Milky Serum, and I love this. I'm not a huge skincare routine person, like genuinely I sleep with my makeup on half the time, which I know is terrible, but I just don't have a routine for it. But I love putting this on, especially like after my shower or like before I put my makeup on, and I just feel like my skin feels so moisturized and refreshed after. And then I also pulled out my Pixi Glow palette. So this is the Pixi Glow Cake, and it's a brush bronze highlight. And for those days that I don't really like putting makeup on, especially when I'm wearing self tanner, I don't really like to put a whole lot of makeup on my face, and this just brush it on a little bit and kind of gets the best of everything because you have the bronzer, the blush, and the highlight, and it just lays really nice. And my last beauty favorite that I've been loving, and I recently shared a video all about how I painted my nails, and it is the Sally Hansen I Heart nail pen. And you can do so many fun little designs with it. It's so cool. It's just like a little paint pen, and you can put it on your nails. So it's really fun if you're into doing little designs on your nails. And I think I paid $7 for this, so I think it's such a steal, and I would definitely buy another one. So those are all of my beauty favorites, and now I want to share with you guys my top 5 accessories for the month of May. And the first one, and I feel like I just talked about these in a video, are my all white Palm Beach sandals. They're so similar to Jack Rogers. I think they are a preppy girl must in the summer and spring. I just think they're so cute and so iconic. I just recently got these last summer, so they're brand new. I was still breaking them in and everything, but I think Palm Beach sandals are a lot easier to break in than Jack's, and I think they're honestly a little bit more comfortable. But I love the all white. It's a nice neutral, and they go with everything, and I wear a ton of white in the summer, so it's just perfect for all my outfits. The next accessory that I've been using every single day is my little circle purse that I got from Just Fab. It's seriously so stinking cute. I have a video all about what I keep inside of it and like what the inside looks like, but I feel like this is such a statement bag, and it's just so stinking cute and so perfect for summer. It doesn't hold too much, but it holds all the essentials, so that's what we really need in the summertime. My next favorite is my monogram necklace. This is like a more rounded monogram style, and I recently just found this when I was organizing my jewelry, and I was like, oh my goodness, I haven't worn this in forever. And I think it's such a fun little monogram just because it's a little bit different with it being a circle, and I just think it's so cute. It makes any outfit really pop and makes it custom to you. My next next accessory are Lily and Laura bracelets. I'm currently wearing some right now. I just think they're so fun and so pretty, and you can pick out so many fun different colors on their website. And I also have a giveaway with them going on my Instagram, which you guys should definitely go check out. It's in this post. It ends on June 1st, 2020. So if you guys have time, definitely go enter. All you have to do is like follow and like the picture. Super simple, but it's just a yellow and like a gold one, which I thought was really fun for summer. And my last accessory favorite is my little ring that I recently got. This is probably one of my go-to everyday accessories now. I love it. It's so sparkly and it's so pretty, and it just makes me so happy every time I wear it. I just think it's so cute. So those are all of my accessories that I've been loving, and I just have a few random favorites that I want to share with you guys as well. The first one is a little random, but I have been obsessed with acai bowls and like smoothie bowls. They're just so good, and they just are so refreshing and so filling, so I've been loving those, which is so random. And then I also kind of have mentioned that I've been running when I was telling you guys my favorite songs to go running to. I've been running a lot, and I feel like it's just such a nice stress reliever, but it's also like a great workout, and I just have been really enjoying that, so I wanted to share that with you guys as well. Last random favorite is painting my fingernails. I feel like I've been painting them maybe once or twice a week now. I usually just do it like once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks. And something so simple to do, but it's like super relaxing to me, but it's also like keeps me busy and stuff. So I've been loving painting my nails, and I do have a video in case you guys want to check that out. But those are all my favorites from the month of May. I love finishing off these videos with a quote that's been inspiring me, so maybe it'll inspire you guys. The quote is, "Don't be afraid to start over again. This time you're not starting from scratch, you're starting from experience." And I just thought that was so inspiring, because sometimes it is hard to start over. You have to realize sometimes starting over is okay, and sometimes it's helpful when you have that past experience to start over. I just thought that quote was very motivating, and I wanted to share it with you guys because it's been inspiring me all month. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If we have anything in common, or if you have any recommendations, let me know in the comments down below. I do read and respond back to every single one, and I love being able to chit chat with you guys. And if you're new to my channel and made it this far, definitely hit that subscribe button so you can get notified the next time I upload, and I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys!